Cinnabon roll. Hello guys, today we make cinnabon roll. Very unique recipe. People will get crazy. And this glaze or topping, or they call it frosting, really delicious. From A to Z, we make fantastic cinnabon roll. If this is first time to watch me, my name is Ahmed Younes, pastry champion of Africa, working cruise line, MSC, Cunard UK, Royal Caribbean, and Norwegian Cruise Line as a corporate pastry chef. All my experience in the life, I make it in this channel. So first we make Udan. Udan, it's like Tanzong, but Chinese version. 150 boiling milk, 70 gram of flour. Just to mix, cover, keep it in the fridge overnight. This is the secret to make very soft dough. Then we activate 60 ml of warm water, 8 gram yeast, 5 gram sugar. We mix it and leave it for 15 minutes before we start the dough. And that to show how is the yeast is activated or expire. Then later on, after 15 minutes, we bring 120 ml of fresh milk. We squeeze a lemon and we mix it just to little curdle. The fresh yeast already activated, 600 gram flour, 120 milk or buttermilk. Then 2 eggs, 75 gram butter. We mix the dough as you see. By hand, if you have kitchen aid, will be much better. But I prefer to use hand to feel the dough to release your stress. When it becomes a dough, I added the butter. Then continue knead the dough. Put your love, put your effort inside the dough, and you will feel really relaxing. Then bring it to the table, put your effort, much effort, knead dough until you feel change the color from dark dough to light dough, and then we added Udan. You can use Udan or Tanzong. You already see my video Tanzong bread. I added Udan and then I still knead the dough. And this really great technique. First you think the dough is sticky, but after 5 minutes of hard kneading, the dough will become elastic, the gluten will activate and becomes super dough. Now after 5 minutes of continue kneading, I release all my stress and you have very smooth dough. It's close to brioche. Then I put in the bowl, cover in plastic, leave it for 1 hour. I prepare the frosting, 100 gram butter, 100 gram Philadelphia cream or any cheese cream, 150 gram icing sugar, 30 ml of fresh cream or fresh milk. I knead the dough. I mix the dough to become more soft. Then I use my hand blender to make smooth frosting. Takes 2 minutes. Then I have smooth frosting ready to cover. Here the filling, 200 gram muscovado sugar or brown sugar, 8 gram cinnamon, 8 gram cacao. That's it. We mix all together. I dust the flour to the surface. Now the dough already 1 hour 10 minutes resting. I press to remove all the excessive gas inside the dough, and I roll it with rolling pin 50 by 50 centimeter. Make sure it's nice square dough. Then I have 120 gram butter. I'm mixing by spoon to be very soft, and then I brush. As you see, I brush the whole dough. And then I spread the filling. Make sure you spread all the filling equal amount on top of the dough. Then with rolling pin, again you roll it to make sure that it's really sticky inside the dough, and helps you to roll the dough very easy. Now we start with very small roll, again and again. Stretch the dough as you can to make more roll. Then I make sure it's almost 60 centimeter after you roll it. I keep the roll in the freezer just 10 minutes to be set so I can easy cut. 10 minutes in the freezer. After 10 minutes, I cut 4 centimeter each roll. You can arrange inside container, brush with butter, or you make it individual in muffin mold. You give a size because it will double when improve. I improve 45 minutes in warm area. Then I bake 190 for 20 minutes. A lot of people, they bake it to be white. I like golden color. When it's golden, I feel much tasty. Then I added frosting direct when it comes from the oven. And bon appetit, one of the best recipe to make Cinnabon roll. Don't work harder, just work smarter. Ahmed, Younes.